Hey, Tom Donnie here. I want to show a quick video just on any of your oil injected engines that have the oil pump on them. You need to put, when you have the engine apart, you need to put a little oil down in where the gear goes. So on a non-mixer unit, you're going to put grease. They'll have a grease certs on the block. But on the mixer units, you add oil, and you add oil to the little shelf down in there. There's a little area. So all I do is I just take my squirt can, and it doesn't take much. There's a spec in the book, I forget what it is, but it ain't much. But this is the little shelf you're filling to right here. So you're just coming through that hole, and you'll see that down in there, and you fill it up. So you're only filling a little bit in here. And that's just to lube that gear. There's a little bit of spit off that always comes out of your oil injection pump that keeps that lube. But I've seen a few engines where those gears are all hot, and I know what's happened is someone's forgotten to put their assembly oil in there. So again, that little gear rides right in here, and you just pump oil in, and away you go, two-stroke oil. And then I just put a cap in it. I think it's good to seal it. So that's kind of what I do on a lot of the rebuilds. So just a quick tip on a two-stroke with oil injection, to put oil down the distributor hole instead of grease. Have a great day. This is Tom from Sturgis in Portage, Iowa, signing off.